All right, guys, 2010 Nissan 370z. What we got done? Factory converter, two vibrant resonators right there, two of them. The 12-inch longs. I'll get you guys a part number on it. We eliminated the X pipe and put them in its place. Here's the part number, 1793, right there, 1793. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then we also added two glass packs there. And there, they're 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out. We'll get you guys part numbers in the links too for them, right there and right there. And then two 4-inch U-power tips out the back. There'll be a link in the description for them also, right there, right there. Came out absolutely magnificent. There's the stock muffler that was on it that we took off. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it and hope you guys like it. That sounds good. Your sound decibels. Go ahead. Shooting flames next. Get a flame kit. Sounds really nice. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Vibrant mids, resonators. That sounds so good. Then we got the mailman. Our mailman's gonna do a drive off, guys. Here we go. Delivering mail all day. He's gonna burn the wheels. There he goes. Go! We gotta do the exhaust on it if he lets us.